Hi everyone, this is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 3:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, October 20th, 2021. It's Wednesday. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified. Click the thumbs up, share the video if you're interested or your friends and family or colleagues are interested in the greatness of the graph and the RLC or iExec. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Okay, the graph. I tweeted it out today. It's starting to look like we're getting some really good traction here. Definitely hitting that upward line of resistance. And man, we are really starting to percolate, but I want to reserve judgment still because we have not yet broken through that strong green line of resistance that's been going on for a good 8 months now. We also have that line of support on the bottom. We seem to be far away from that. The floor of support right now is at 67 cents. It's about 25% away from where we're at right now. So clearly looking like a monster rally. 10% in a day's worth of price action is great in anyone's book. But, you know, we'll have to see how this thing moves on. Now, let's look over a graph relative to Bitcoin. We do have a downtrend, but we did have some sideways action for the past day. Upon further inspection on the price action, we bouncy booed off that line yesterday and are clearly trying to make a bid for that resistance area at 1333. It's only a couple of percentage points away. We pass it. This is that other line. And again, that's the top line of resistance on this bearish channel. So the thing that's pulling at most things up these days is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely doing it, but in this case for the graph, the inner strength of the graph or GRT BTC is pulling it up more than anything. So anyway, let's go over to RLC US dollar. We definitely are on a good trend here. Again, looking at the bigger picture, this is the channeling up. We're on the lower end of the channel. We're at 448. Now zooming in, we definitely bounced off this line. This line is a line of support of 431, and we certainly bounced off that and are going upwards to sideways. Going over to the RLC Bitcoin pair, we are also under a little pressure. We're still not over that orange line, which is the really long-term line, but we have an even longer-term line of support. So understanding that our lower line of support right now is at 65.41. This is currently at 67.53. Now to get us back over that line of resistance, the orange line, we have to get over 7,000. So that's probably another 5% away, you know, in the ceiling, like above us. So we have to do a real, you know, we have to crush it on the way up. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is over that zip line, the green line, to 80,000. And I think we're going to just continue on, folks. This is not going to stop. The train doesn't stop and the beat goes on. So we're over here. We've had a couple of double bottoms. This train won't stop either. We're talking about the Bitcoin dominance pair and 60 by the end of the year. Certainly over the last day, we have been going up. A little resistance here around this gray area, but nonetheless, we're going to continue going up, in my opinion. Anyway, hope everyone's well. Take care.